Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss a very fantastic app. First, let me show you the app. The app name is Blur Wallpaper. Okay, so you can install this. Okay, guys, if you want to blur or light the brightness and something else of your wallpaper, so you can use this app. This is very fantastic to use. You can see. So it can change your. I like this, it's very amazing to use. So you can click here, it will be applied. Then I have blur. And if you want to blur your picture, so also you can blur your picture. You can see outside here, and you can change by here. You can slow down the brightness as well. Okay, first do this, then you can slow down the brightness as well. So you can use this. And if you want to change the color in Excel, so you can change the coloring. You can do the black and white as well by here. So this is very fantastic to use. I like this. So it will do the blurring, and it will do your brightness changing. Okay, and this is will use for coloring. Okay guys, so this is very fantastic use. So first go and subscribe my channel, that is How to Learn. Okay guys, first go and subscribe my channel, and if you want to get any educational videos, so you can get my Noor Zainab official. Okay, so you can get by here. So do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.